How to use and turn on iPhone screen button or screen record button. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedure to use and turn on iPhone screen record button. So in order to enable the screen recording feature on your iPhone, first you want to ensure it's added to your control center. So all you need to do is swipe down from the top right corner or from your bottom of the model or old models. In order to access the control center, if you don't see the screen recording icon, you just need to go ahead and open up your settings. After which you want to click on the control center, then go ahead and customize the control. And then tap the plus button next to the screen record options to start recording, or tap the screen recording button in the control center and wait for at least 3 seconds countdown. And to stop, you just need to tap on the red circle or the status bar at the top of the screen to open the control center and tap the record button. And the recording will be saved to your Photos app. And this is how you'll be able to use and turn on iPhone screen record button. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.